today's parade day. You know that day in August? They're like, hey, it's time for the parade. And I'm always out here trying to get in the lawn ready to go. Well, I got it ready. See? I wouldn't say it's exactly ideal because I'm on crutches. I wasn't able to film much, but I did half the mowing last night. You're like, and these cats are like, hey, I'm just gonna drive right across the lawn right there. Can I just go there? Well, the hell no, you can't go there. Why do you think I got that post there? You don't just drive on somebody's lawn because you're like, oh, it'll be more convenient for me if I don't have to put the car in reverse. So I just got the lawn mowed. Been done for about 15 minutes. And then the secret, don't tell anybody, is to run the sprinklers. Gives it that nice shiny look. You run the sprinklers, gives you the nice shine look. And then you get, oh, here they come. We got parade goers. I don't feel very good, but I'm getting by because I knew people were coming over. I knew we were having a parade. So I was like, I'm doing it regardless. I'll re-elect Mayor Mike. Look at these cats. Wow, look at that USA. That's a stallion. That's no stallion. Look at these cats. Look at that mustache he's got. It's the Grand Marshal himself. Oh, Norman's the Grand Marshal? Yay! Yay! Wow, look at that. You want the number? Does it get any better than this? And then you got the regulators over here like, hey, give me your number right now. Oh, look, quarter horses. Okay? They're like, hey, we got the quarter horse. We got the quarter horse outfit. I have to freaking hobble around the whole joint and get the candy. No kids.
Get that candy,
this is my candy. See? See that? This is gonna be a bad deal by the time this sucker's over, unless I sit down. I have to freaking regulate this whole thing or it'll get out of control. Oh, these are my favorite of the group right here. These are my favorite of the group.
Yeah.
Those are the guys that make the rules that I follow. Look at this guy, he's got a blue shirt on and everything. See that? He's got a blue shirt. That's a nice blue shirt.
Hey.
We have got quite the event heading our way. The Lexington Minuteman, they're calling them. Look, you can hear the music and everything. We are rolling, rolling, rolling. What? Oh, she's so festive. Look at them. They're all in costume and everything, folks. They're all in costume. Look at this. Oh, these aren't young folks either. These are real legit folks. I mean, come on. This is full-blown legit. That's a real bona fide band. Oh man, this is living. They say they're from the East Coast. Those heroes, they don't always wear capes in this town. Oh, look at that, a full bona fide bear. It's a real life bear. Wow, hello. Hi. See, these guys do it right, okay? They're peddling Ned Ledoux right there, guys. Oh, look, hey, don't you dare throw that at Ned. Hey, don't you throw it, Ned.
I gotta get
The treats in the road are fair game, kids. The treats in the road are fair game. If it's on the lawn, it's off limits. This is unreal. What is this, like the 4th annual? Oh yeah, I definitely want a paper.
You want paper, man?
Oh yeah.
Paper.
Look at this Lone Pine. Lone Pine it is, folks. They're accepting new patients.
right here.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. What are you guys peddling?
Practical magic.
Practical magic. Oh, that is what they're doing. Look at this. Look at this. Full-blown witches and all.
All of it.
It's like a full-blown witch club. It's a pink beauty. See that? Lipstick and lead, folks. I mean, come on. It's a beaut. Hell yeah.
Your lawn looks amazing, by the way.
Thanks, Nat.
Okay.
Look, Sister Ward's happy.
You tell your mom, get her bum over here.
Yeah, call her up. Call her up.
We're trying to make money.
Money's for the birds. You don't need money.
I need money.
You need candy.
I need a car.
No, you don't. No car for you. Look at this, guys. 3 generations. 3 full generations. Look at these. These are so cute. Cute, 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 cute. People are peddling healthcare. Give us your money. We want more of your money. Yeah, look at that. That's a full-blown shout out right there. It always starts with you guys. I don't know what it is. The party starts with you.
Happy Raspberry Days, everybody!
See, we got a full-blown DJ. Look. He's a full-blown DJ. Yeah? Oh yeah?
Utah event DJ. That's right.
Dance tonight. It's just entertainment. One after another entertainment. That's a full-blown woolly mammoth. Look at that farm all right there. She's a beaut. That's a beaut. The appreciation level is off the hook. Oh yeah, we love you guys. We love you. Yeah.
This is the real mic.
Yeah, that is the mic. Hey, no!
Is this real grass?
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, it's real. Touch it.
I want our grass to be like
That's a beaut. Did you get her on board? Here you go. Yeah. You recognize that's the boy. He's all grown up now. He's all grown up. Yep. That's the boy. Pal is his name. Don't you pal him. San Juan River, San Juan River. Oh.
Troubles.
Oh, she said it can't be true turf, but then she saw the sprinklers.
Is it? It's real grass, right?
Yeah, take your shoes off and walk on it.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, get it all.
You want some more, Cam? All right.
Apparently the parade's over because see all these cats coming down? Oh, the Scots! You guys didn't even have the decency to come hang out with us on a nice lawn?
I didn't want to be a looky-loo.
No, you are anyways. You didn't want to be, but you are. How's the food? Interesting people here this time of year. It is August like 7th or something like that. August 6th or 7th. And fall is upon me. My growing season is super short. My summer is super short. I don't know, for those of you guys that have been following me, you know that my growing season is really short. And fall is pretty much upon me. I'm pretty pissed off. Pretty freaking pissed off. I'll tell you exactly why. I've been freaking standing here. You're gonna stand there owning a fireworks stand and tell me you don't have any whistling bungholes. Been standing here making this video. I keep looking over and seeing this. What in the heck is this crap? To me, it just looks like crap. It's like a lei or something. Like, oh, let's go to Hawaii and we'll spend some good quality time bonding and we'll just get massages and go in the beach. First, we got lawn clippings, which you can't do anything about. But see all the lime green? That's the part that pisses me off. And that's why I've done so many renovations, because I'm like, what's it gonna take to get rid of this stuff? What is it going to take? I don't know that I'll ever be able to get rid of it, unless I get Ryan Knorr over here. Sure, he could do it. That Ryan, He'll be like, yeah, I got you, brother. I got you. Here with Ryan Knorr, come out to his place. What do you think?
Who is this guy?
Yeah, he's like, what are you doing here? Get off my lawn. He's one of those guys like, get off my lawn. Let's get you fixed up straight away. Boom! He'd have that sucker clean as a whistle. Who are these looky-loos? Hey!
How you feeling?
Good? You a looky-loo?
Huh?
Are you a looky-loo?
Looky Lou?
Yeah, are you?
What's that mean?
I don't know. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Those guys are just good folks. They just want to say if I was okay. Can't say I know them, but yeah, they seem like good folks. Life is busy. And when life is busy, you make lemons, okay? You start making lemons, you're cranking out lemons. Busy, lemons, lemons, lemons. And it's kind of embarrassing, honestly. I didn't do anything this year with I didn't do the flowers on the porch, I don't have any color, all my beds are full of weeds. Very embarrassing. But, you know, what did I do? I traded my happiness for money, okay? I traded my happiness and peaceful times of having the flowers, spending the time in the lawn, spending the time with my family for money. Why? Because I want to retire someday. Money, it gets you every time. Dumpster rentals and work. You're like, you didn't work. What's your biggest regret in life? Oh, I didn't work long enough. I didn't spend enough time, you know, going to corporate events or trying to climb the corporate ladder, that kind of crap, you know what I mean? I have nothing to complain about. Good friends, good family, good food. Sister Ward, oh my gosh, that woman is amazing. She stepped up to the plate and she's batting 1,000. She's like swinging it out of the park. Love that woman. She's taken so good care of me. I love her so much. With that being said, let's refocus. Refocus is the word of the day. Refocus.
Can't say things like that on camera. Except for you do.